And it's still all about Vbout. So, in the previous video, we were creating the landing page. Here we go. Let's just
Hi,
jump
I'm
in.
Phil and I review software and other stuff, and you probably got to this.
Not that one. That's the little intro where that's actually on the landing page. Let me show you. So, here's the video where I made the landing page.
Right, so here we go, and I'm building a landing page.
And fast forward that, you see there's the video I embedded onto the page, and there we go.
At the bottom
and let's see the actual page I finished. All right, so I do talk through in the previous video how I built it. It was quite easy to make, and we clicked on. Did you see what I did there?
Created with MME.
In the link,
what MME is.
I'll just show you again. In the link, I clicked on phils.deals/email.
And do I want the logo?
There we go.
At the bottom.
Let's get rid of that because I'm still talking on it. And this goes to this page. Just to let you know, that phils.deals/email, I didn't create that in Vbout. That's just a simple redirect I've set up using a little short link shortener. I'll tell you about that soon. Here is the landing page it goes to. That is like the kind of address you get with Vbout, which is lp.vbt.site, so don't worry about that. But the people get to this page, and people, this is the exciting bit, have actually filled in the form. So can you see there? There's the page, and also it's got the video on that I recorded, embedded.
Hi, I'm Phil and I review software.
So there you go, and people have signed up. So now we go to Vbout. I won't be able to show you this bit, or I'll have to blur out all of the email addresses. So here they are. That is on Vbout on contacts, and I will put a box over them so you can't see them in the edit. Okay, and I've got about 10 people filled it in, so thank you very much. So now what we're going to do with these people, and today I have gone through some of the processes. I've actually had to go onto my WordPress website, and I've had to modify some of the DNS, because hopefully I'm going to be able to send these emails from phils.deals, phil at phils.deals. But now we go to email. And here is the one I created earlier. You know I said I wouldn't spam. So here we go. This is how you set up the email campaign. So I thought, hi, it's Phil from Phil's Reviews with the first test email as I test Vbout. And there's my pre-header. Don't worry, the real spammy ones will be returned late. Will start later on. And hopefully I'm going to be able to send it, if you can see there, from my name, Phil, at phils.deals, and I go next. Okay, so I've had 8 of you sign up. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah, so that would be the thing, though, what's interesting. Let's go back there. Can I go back? So let's just do that again. Edit. You do it. So if you are, within Vbout, if you are developing different lists, this is where I think this is quite clever, or very clever. I can decide who I am going to send this to. So, for example, I might want to do one emailer to the people who have signed up for my fitness landing page. I might want to do one emailer to the people who have signed up to my I Love Software landing page. And sometimes I might want to do an emailer where I email everybody. And, so you can see it's versatile now, because as you get the emails coming in, depending on their responses, in the automation, you can put them into certain groups. And then you can hit those people, hit them with relevant emails. But we just want to send it to, get rid of that list. So we just want those people who have signed up to the Phil Review software. Okay, and we click next. And now it's just got, I'm going for a regular campaign. There's some campaigns where you can chunk it. But let's just go for a regular campaign. Pause the video now, and I will design my little email I'm going to send them. Okay, so, yeah, I was rushing. But here is my first email I'm going to send out. I know. There we go. So, but again, quite easy to do. I picked one of the templates, modified it, changed it. Obviously, when I start doing these properly, I will spend a lot more time, and then probably have one main design and take that theme and, possibly use Canva as well, because I've got Canva, to make a really cool design for my emailer. But there you go. So it's got me Phil Review software, testing out Vbout. Just to let you know that this is it's the last few hours of the Appsumo Black Friday event. Oh, this Vbout thing, and oh dear, I'm sorry, Vbout. I'm presuming it is Vbout. But I can't. Anyway, moving on. So there you go. Thanks so much for signing up for my newsletter after watching my Vbout videos. Just a quick email as I'm making the email. Listen, so if you watch this video now, can you please respond? I don't know how. I just want you to reply. Maybe. I'm not saying they haven't. Yes, affiliate disclaimer. Some of these links might be affiliate links, but if you do click through some of the links, I just want to see if it shows up in the analytics in Vbout. But that's the email, and what I've done is I've done that. So those links are links to the Black Friday deal and to the Vbout page. And I've also included my Facebook, Twitter, and done all of those there. So if you click on them, you see it's got, can you see over there to the left? I could also add my YouTube channel, but yes, so I can add everything onto that. So that is the email. I think we're ready to send it now. It was quite easy to set that up, to link the thing campaign and click continue. Right. There we go. Design happy. We're happy, happy, happy. Yeah. Do we go next? I think we do. Next. Send this campaign. Right. Fingers crossed. Check my content for spam words. It's got a spam check. Okay, so there you go. I like that. So it's got a spam check. Email rated 2 out of a spam threshold of 5. So there's a good chance it will be delivered. Good. I can send a test email. So let's send a test mail to me to see what it looks like. Sending a draft. Okay, let's have a look at my inbox. Let's see the test. This is just a draft copy of your email. Note that the list shortcodes, here we go. So, just to let you know, oh my gosh, that's going to arrive in people's email. I like it though. Do you like it? And if they go to that, and if they click on the Black Friday offers, it goes to the Black Friday offers. Oh, wow. So I think we are ready. What do we do now? To send now. Let's send this out to everybody. If you've watched the video, you're about to receive an email. Confirm. And I can also write. So I've not done this yet, but then I can link up my social media and I can share that to social media. So I could also say, look, I've just posted this. If I click on that, you'll probably say that I've not set my... Yeah, so I've got to do this. Another video coming soon where I connect my social media accounts to Vbout. I'm beginning to see the power of Vbout now. So, quick edit of that video. And hopefully, some of you guys who've got it, all 10 of you, anybody else who's not got it, watch the previous video. Sign up to the mailing list. And we will see the analytics, hopefully, of people coming through. But I've got to set that up. So that's the video. That's how easy it was to send out my first email campaign. I'm buzzing now. So I am getting quite excited using Vbout now. When I first started, I actually talked to the boss or one of the bosses of Vbout, and I said about, doing these videos. And he said, please don't just do a demonstration of the landing pages. He said, please, learn everything and set it up. And he said a wonderful thing. He said, because Vbout is like an orchestra and all the little pieces work in a beautiful symphony together. And I'm beginning to understand what he means. So quite excited now about Vbout. As I say, so the next video, hopefully I'll get some analytics through and I'll have connected my social media to it so that you can see it all in action. So cheers, everybody. Not too late. It is going to be a genuine newsletter I'm going to use. And I probably will test some other tools, not just, I'm going to gradually build up. So when you see my videos where I am doing any kind of marketing software like this, please do sign up to my newsletter. As I say, like anything, you can always unsubscribe at any time. So, and there will be a bit of promoting and plugging eventually. But there you go. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hope you're enjoying what I'm doing. As I say, the other thing I'm doing at the moment is through my website, I'm going to be putting some of the tools on my website that I've not been able to use yet. So Phils.deals will be a bit of a test site where you can not only get great deals, but you can also see some of the softwares that I review in action. All right, should be interesting and a lot of hard work, but I'm looking forward to it. See you next time, everyone. Cheers.